What's up guys? I'm gonna go take the TL out and go for a little back road rip. I got nothing better to do today and didn't really have anything to film, so figured I'd take the thing out. Alright guys, just got out to Mexico. Take this thing for a quick rip. I think I just caught air. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna have to continue this tonight. See you then. Absolutely pissing rain. Of course, I happen to be in the TL, but whatever. You can probably see Farky behind me. Do you see him? There he is. Got Farky behind me in the Z. We're gonna go meet up with Jordan, and he's got the M3, and our buddy Rob with the M6. And yeah, we're gonna go check out the show, see what's there. This thing's not in the show, like it's not show ready, so yeah, we're gonna head there, check it out. Hopefully it doesn't rain anymore. I am worried about water getting into the filter, but it might be okay. I don't know. That doesn't look very promising to me, to be honest with you. Looks all bad. And I got our compounds on this thing, so like it hydroplanes at like 80 kilometers an hour. Anyways, catch you, Jordan. Some of you guys might not even know this is my 370Z. Haven't made too many videos on it. It's kind of just in the background of videos a lot of the time, but it's Monterey Blue 2011 370Z 6MT with the sport package, got the Akibonos and whatnot. For you guys who do know and you have seen the videos, I owe you a bit of an explanation on this thing. I picked this thing up last September, about a year ago now actually, which is crazy. I ended up ordering a big single turbo kit a few months later, and I've just been waiting for that ever since. I haven't exactly got much of an update on it until last week. So the company who makes the kit just said basically they're really behind on all the orders and whatnot. Whenever the kit gets here, it gets here. And you know, I haven't really been in a huge rush. Oh, there's some shade here. Yeah, thinking outside the box. I did order it last year, but yeah, it might still be a while to get here. I don't know how far they're backed up. Basically just waiting for them to send me the kit. And I mean, to be fair, there's still a lot of parts I don't even have for this thing yet. Like I don't have a clutch, I don't really have anything else for this car yet, just because I haven't been very motivated to order parts, just because I don't know where the kit is, right? So kind of just waiting for that at the moment. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the Z. For now, she's just sitting NA, sitting pretty. I'm gonna go take the Z home and get the TL all washed up, because it's so beat after the rain the other day. I'm gonna try and do a quick touchless on it, and I'll just get some like cinematic shots of that. Thank you guys for watching, appreciate it as always. Drop a like if you can, it means a lot. Helps the channel grow, definitely. See you guys in the next one.